In this lesson, we'll cover what is all the user experience has the benefits. Let's see what are all the outline of this topic has. We'll learn the benefits, what are the benefits, what does UX do, importance of UX design, and the conclusion. Let's see one by one. Now, here we are going to see what are the benefits in details. Benefit 1. It can significantly reduce costs down the line. 2. User experience can help you increase your conversation. Benefit 3. UX design can help with your SEO, which is search engine optimize. 4. In- increases your brand loyalty with UX design. Benefit 5. UX design can help increase word of mouth referrals. 4. 6 could be keeps you from wasting resources. Let's see in detail of each benefit. In benefit 1, significantly reduce cost. Let's see how. In this image, you can see that quality, speed and result. If this three gets high, then the cost automatically gets reduces. By investing in UX design, upfront can significantly reduce cost down the line, which is with any new project your business takes on there is always a certain amount of risk, but because UX design and design thinking are focused on research, analyze, and testing, you are immediately setting yourself up for success. Which is, more and more companies are starting to realize that preventing possible usability issues or problems from the outset is far less expensive than fixing them later with product redesign or bug amends. After all, design changes are far easier to make than development changes and therefore less expensive. If I want to explain with an example or in detail, it means that after the production or after the development, if we want to redesign or if we want to restructure the product, it takes a too much of cost plus manpower, or it could be a creating again a new coding or the again a new resource we required. So to avoid this all, the UX design has been got came into the picture. So creating time into the UX design, it reduced the cost for the companies. Next, whilst working in this interactive manner may seem more costly to start with, it can save money in the long term and help you build a product that is set up for success, drives conversations, and engages with your target users effectively. How? How this all things happen? Receive more accurate estimates and avoid future creeps. creeps. Sorry. By scoping and testing all features requirements, design and information articulate architecture at the prototyping stage, developers are able to provide better estimates of the time and cost required to complete the project, hence preventing any nasty cost surprises at a later stage. It means like the same before making any product, finalizing the product and putting them into the market or showing to the end user, it takes too much time. If the end target audience says this is wrong or that is wrong, we need to change this. That means it gives the more cost for the developer plus to the companies. So to avoid this all things, we create some first design, we take the requirement, we gather requirement, then we design of the design or the structure with the basis of information. We create an architecture. After creating the architecture, we create a prototype. Then we show to the developers. A developer gets a clear picture by seeing the prototyping, because the prototyping is the final output of a product which the user has been finalized. So by doing this, so automatically the estimate or the cost get reduced. Getting your content right. That is, we all know how important content is. It's even better when great content is met with great design. And as with any website or application, your content can be key in converting your user. By addressing this earlier on in the prototyping stage, you can ensure that your content is fit for purpose before your website or application is even launched to the wider public. Again, saving time and the cost for your business. Like as I explained, it says that before putting any product live, we need to test it, or we need to uh, take it at website or an application. We need to save the time and the cost for your business. To do so, we need to see the content first. We need to finalize the content, then we need to design, then we need to put it into prototyping stage, then we need to ensure that the content is a fit for the purpose before it get launches into the public. Let's move to the benefit 2. It says that help you increases your conversation. How? On a stage, you can see that there is image, there are the two types, which is 69% and one is the 61%. One is friendly and one is unfriendly. In friendly, you see more likely to buy. In unfriendly, it says more likely to leave. So, if you buy something into the market, you take it imagine on your mobile. A mobile friendly site makes me more likely to buy a product or use a service. In unfriendly, if I don't see what I am looking for right away on a mobile site, I will quickly move on to the another site. So it gets the confused to the user, and so it feels that unfriendly. When a user is unable to decide what he needs on a website or an application, then the user gets distracted and he moves to the another website. To avoid so, the this is what we use the UX design into the picture. Let's see how this a benefit 2 helps out. The point says, we have all been there. You are browsing the web looking for a particular product or service and have come across one or two websites that address your problem. Then we list all of these sites seemingly promote the same content and products. One clearly stands out. Then it is easy to use and you are able to find what it was you were looking for quickly and with little to no effort. The overall experience was enjoyable and you happily save this website for further reference. It means if you are using any website or an application, and while using the application, if you don't like or you don't experience a good while using so, then definitely the user will not come, or he or she will not revisit to the website. So to do this best, if we give a good experience for a user, or while using the website, if the user is enjoyable to and he is happily save the time on the website, then definitely the user will refer someone else, and plus he or she will visit a website again and again to do so. Unfortunately, many websites are missing out and subsequently over complicated design that may look nice and drawing away customers away as they struggle to find what it was they were looking for. Now, in live case, in a current scenario, many of the websites you like it, but when you go to one website, you you get confused what you want to buy or what you are looking for. If this is the case, then definitely a user gets confused or the design it is too complicated, which is not a good design. So to avoid this all things, we take a help of the UX design. Next, a simple sign of it is as human we are impatient, and this is future exaggerated outline. With this in mind, now more than ever, it is important to consider how to reduce the level of effort your user need to take in order to maximize the number of conversations on your product, be it a website or app. And next, let's see the benefit 3. UX design can help with your SEO. SEO again stands for Search Engine Optimize. In this image, you see one side there's a UX and the another side is a SEO. Let's see how this helps. SEO helps with the UX design. A good UX design can result in healthy SEO ranking. Like everyone knows, what is SEO does the work. A SEO makes a digital marketing or your website brings up on a search engine optimize on any or a Google, take it any search engine where when a user puts any a website up, if he or she searches anything on the internet, then the result on the top what it comes is the high priority result. So the search engine optimize guy or the candidate works on it how the content should be on the top of your search engine. A Google theme serve actively promotes great user experience in their search result. After all, their own goal is to provide user with the best answer to their question as quickly as possible by serving up the most relevant information first. Then, this is not only a translate to SEO but also paid media or a PPC, pay per click marketing. You know, on a website or on any search engine, when you click on any website or on any ad, on a click of one one click of any ad or on a link, a company gets pay for per click. So to give a good result, or SEO needs. Let's see next. Platforms like Google Ads, previously known as Google AdWords, actively score the results of your landing page experience in your ad campaign and gives you suggestions to optimize the user journey. Focus on this page. Then, user experience is a big factor in Google's search algorithm, where websites are concerned. A poor user experience can ultimately result poor SEO rankings, or in the case of paid advertising, PPC and insufficient ad champions. Let's move to the next benefit, which is increase your brand loyalty. A loyalty comes with a brand relationship, rate, customer respect, trust, confidence. With the help of these all things, a loyalty happens. Let's see in detail of benefit 4, which is like increasing the brand loyalty. What is all it takes to create a brand loyalty? 1. A good user experience goes a long way for any business. It is virtual in building trust in your brand, product, or service, and establishing a long standing relationship with your target customer. Then, a seamless and enjoyable interaction promotes customer activation, which in turn translate into recognition and loyalty of your brand and its production and service. It means like if you give for a customer an enjoyable interaction on a product, it gives a good customer activation, which turns translate into recognition and loyalty of your brand. Right? The customer who enjoys the interaction, interaction between in on the product, then definitely he can recognition and gives the loyalty for the brand. Next, acquiring a new business lead is only halfway the battle. Great UX design does not just attract new users but also helps retain and treat existing customers. Next, a customer journey map or CJM for short is one way to help building customer retention. Often provides as visual design or storyboard they still to map out every interaction of the customer journey from start to finish. This helps you to not only build empathy with your target customers but also understand where they are in the purchase cycle and what possible problems they might face at particular stage in their journey. It means when a customer buys something or while doing something, if a customers get to know, it means the target customers who understand whether they are while purchasing cycle or what possible problems they might face while in a particular stages. If a customer gets to know, then that is called a good journey. Next, metrics which all offer insight into way to optimize your design to drive better user engagement and inevitably customer loyalty and retention. Next, we'll see a benefit 5, which is help increases word of mouth referrals. What it means? Usually, when two people discuss on any application or on any topic, a person start discussing regarding the app or an any website. So it's nothing but a mouth referral. If the application is too good, or the ratings are too good, or the likes, and this happens. So with this, a mouth referral happens. Let's see in detail how what are the benefits in benefit 5. Even in the digital world, word of mouth is still a great way of getting business. People buy people, but perhaps even more relevant here, people buy experiences, and if you provide a good experience to your user, then why could not they shout about it? Word of mouth is not only seen in a day-to-day interaction but across personal interactions on social media. We all know just how good word of mouth promotions can be to your business. But how does UX design helps with this? Let's see. For a start, it makes social sharing easy. Then, if you have made the buying process as easy as possible for your user, then when it comes to recommending someone to their friends or family over social media, who are they most likely to recommend it? Imagine if you are using any application, then we take a help of social network like using Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Instagram. If you like something, then definitely you like to share that app with your family, friends to use that and to get the good experience with that application. So this is nothing but a mouth referral. UX designers understand the importance of driving social awareness for your business, and this is why they build seamless interaction to social networks through your product. It also helps to build trust people by people and more noticeable trend to learn behaviors from their peer, peers or people that are similar to them. This is where user reviews, star ratings, and people also brought futures being to creep into the mix. Let's see the benefit 6. What it is. Keeps you from wasting resource. In this, we learn how a resource can be avoided, which is which way there is no use of the resource. 1. By investing in better UX design solutions, you are able to avoid wasting human resource, time and money. If we avoid resource, then we can utilize the time and the money. Then your human resources are all the people involved in creating your product. Unfortunately, when employees are not managed well, the result can be financially lose. An example of such misuse of resources is hiring marketers and sales managers to promote a product without investing in a user experience that delightful user. Time is a valuable resource that directly impacts the financial side of a project. User experience researchers help you detect inefficiently solutions and prevent their impatience at the development stage by tailoring your future to meet the needs of your target audience. So this is what you can see on a screen. This is what how the importance of UX is. 68% of users leave a website due to poorly designed of UX. Then the 86% of visitors want to see information about companies, products, services once on the homepage. 62% of customers' future purchase is based on past experience. 88% of online customers are less likely to return to a website after a bad experience. 48% of people cited website design as the number one factor in deciding the credibility of a business. So this is what increases and reduce. In increase sales and repeat customers, in increase credibility and brand value, productive and user adoption. Reduce training, maintenance, error, support calls. And let's conclude. A great user experience won't leave your visitors indifferent. Marketers and analytics can try their best to predict the behaviors of user, but in the end, users are still largely led by emotions. While it's not possible to predict what your user wants, with 100% certainly. Designing a captivating UI and UX through a difficult task is worthwhile. Now, you could be wondering what is UI. UI means user interface. A design or a look and feel what you see on a screen while using an application is an interface. So the UI also matters a lot while using the application. How? In short, I like to say if the UI is not good, means if the interface of the use of our application is not good, then definitely the user will won't use the application. So same, the UI and the UX are the mandatory or the benefits to use the or to work on any task with the application. Almost every business with a web presence can benefit from getting a UX design or board to make their offering better, more satisfying and more memorable. Some, the Evernote, Uber's, Twitter's, Airbnb's have even become indispensable partially due to great user experience design.